Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In today's video, you will learn how to use the law of attraction to manifest your life partner. The law of attraction is a universal principle that states we attract into our lives whatever we focus on and give energy to. It is based on the idea that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs directly impact our reality. In simple terms, the law of attraction means that we can manifest our desires and goals by aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions with them. When we do this, we send out a positive vibration that attracts positive things and people into our lives. Now that we have a basic understanding of the law of attraction, let's dive into how to use it to manifest your life partner. First and foremost, it's essential to understand that you don't need to attach yourself to the idea of needing someone. This will only reinforce the feeling of lack and neediness, which is not a vibration that will attract your ideal partner. Instead, you want to focus on the feeling of having your partner already in your life. This means visualizing yourself in a happy and fulfilled relationship and feeling the emotions of love, joy, and contentment. Believe that your ideal partner is somewhere in the world, slowly making their way to you. To do this, you can practice daily visualization exercises, such as closing your eyes and visualizing yourself in different scenarios with your partner. For example, see yourself holding hands, laughing together, and experiencing all the beautiful parts of a loving relationship. Make sure to really feel the emotions of happiness and love as you imagine these scenarios. Another way to stay positive and aligned is to practice gratitude. Taking time each day to focus on the things you're thankful for in your life, including the qualities you want in a partner, can help raise your vibration and attract positive energy into your life. Another effective technique to use when manifesting your life partner is to write a letter to yourself from the perspective of your future partner. This exercise can help you align your vibration with your ideal partner's energy and give you a deeper understanding of the qualities and characteristics you desire in a partner. To start, grab a piece of paper and a pen and imagine yourself as your future partner. Then write a letter to yourself as if you are already in a loving and fulfilling relationship with them. In the letter, express your love and affection for yourself and describe the wonderful qualities and characteristics you see in yourself. For example, you can write about how much you admire your kindness, sense of humor, intelligence, ambition, and so on. You can also describe the things you love doing together, your adventures, and how you support each other. Make sure to include all the feelings and emotions you want to experience in your relationship, such as love, joy, passion, and trust. Once you finish writing the letter, read it and take in the words and feelings. Then allow yourself to fully embrace the idea that this person already exists and that they are just waiting for you to align your vibration with theirs. It's also important to let go of any negative thoughts or doubts about whether or not you'll find your life partner. Remember that the law of attraction works through the power of your thoughts and emotions, so keeping a positive and optimistic mindset is essential. To manifest your ideal partner, you must align your vibration with theirs. This means working on yourself and improving yourself to the point where you are a vibrational match for your ideal partner. Think about the qualities you want in a partner and then work on developing them. Another way to align your vibration is to focus on what you love to do and actively engage in those activities. When you're doing things you love, your vibration is high, and this will attract like-minded people to you. To manifest your life partner using the law of attraction, focus on feeling like you already have them in your life. Align your vibration with theirs by working on yourself, and engage in activities that bring you joy and raise your vibration. Remember, the law of attraction is always working, so trust that the right person will come into your life at the perfect time. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.